Starting anew. Understanding. Start fresh. Hello, learners. Today, we're diving into a phrase that's as rejuvenating as a morning breeze. Start fresh. It's a phrase that packs optimism, opportunity, and a clean slate into two little words. So, let's get ready to clear the old and welcome the new as we explore what it means to start fresh. Starting fresh is all about beginning again, but with a twist. It implies beginning without any burdens or mistakes from the past. It's like hitting the reset button on a device. The old data is gone, and you have a brand new start. Whether it's a new job, a new school year, or even the start of a new day, when you start fresh, you're moving forward with a clean slate. You can use start fresh in various contexts. It's popular in professional settings, personal development, and even in casual conversations. After a project ends, you might hear a manager say, "Let's start fresh on the next one." Or, after a misunderstanding with a friend, you might agree to start fresh and put any disagreements behind you. Let's see how start fresh fits into some sentences. After moving to a new city, Jenna decided to start fresh and make new friends. The new year is a perfect time to start fresh with your habits and goals. Following the merger, the company wanted to start fresh with a new brand image. Why is the idea of starting fresh so powerful? It gives us a sense of hope and the possibility of improvement. It tells us that no matter what happened yesterday, there's an opportunity to do better today. Starting fresh is an empowering concept that encourages us to let go of our past mistakes and look to the future with confidence. Thank you for joining me on this refreshing journey through the phrase, start fresh. Remember, every day is a chance to begin anew. So, wherever you are in your English learning adventure, it's never too late to start fresh. Keep learning, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next video.